principles of JIT. So JIT means producing products only when they are needed. You don't keep too much inventory, so there's less waste and lower cost. So there are 4 key principles of JIT. We have minimal inventory, waste reduction, demand-driven production, and quality control at the source. So, ang minimal inventory, this is keep only the materials you need, no overstock. The next is waste reduction. Waste reduction, this is avoid waste like overproduction, waiting, defects, and unnecessary movement. The next is demand-driven production. You produce only when a customer orders. And the last is quality control at the source. This means the workers check. And the last is quality control at the source. So meaning that the workers check quality immediately to prevent mistakes.
So the last one is the benefits of JIT or just-in-time manufacturer. So we have reduced cost, lower inventory levels mean less money tied up in stock and less need for storage space. So there is a reduced cost is murag wala ka siya money nga na involve or napakita or napagawas like if sa product niya, if maura to siya nga product, maura pod na ang money nga ikuan dito nga products, and then less need for storage space. Para sa storage space is if for example 10 products, so sa 10 products ang storage ana, so ang storage ana is mo come up na po siya sa 10 ka products. And then the 2 is increased flexibility. The system allows for a quicker response to changes in customer demand. So, sa mga customer, if naa sila yung mga questions or even feedback ba na need dayon nga muhatag sila og response kay ang customer mo wait raman po na sila, and then makasabot na sila if mo explain ka, if moingon sila nga sa feedback nila nakabuta nga like dili nila ma-meet ang quality nga ilahan needed, explain if muhatag na ka og response nga explain ra nimo nga inana siya, so makasabot ra pud na ang mga customers. And then improve efficiency. By eliminating waste, the overall production flow becomes smoother and more streamlined. So, katong mga like kanang eliminating waste is kanang mga products nga wala na nagamit or mga sobra na. So, dapat ikuwaon na siya like para dili makadaot sa pag-process sa uban nga products nga needed. Katong iban nga wala labot, kuhaon na to siya para smooth ra ang pagkuan sa mga products nimo. And then the last one is better cash flow. Less money spent on holding excess inventory, improving the company's financial position. So there is a better cash flow. Kanang ang ilaha man nga gina-spend kan sa excess nga mga inventory. So, the last one of the benefits of JIT is the better cash flow. So, less money spent on holding excess inventory, improving the company's financial position. So, there is a better cash flow is like, ang kanang money nga na-spent nila is, ginapakita rin sa usa ka employee nga if asa tong mga na-inventory nga money, naara pod na, like wala na siya nawala para mapakita pod na sa companies. And then if dapat is fair ang pagkuana na sa mga excess inventories or sa kanang mga financial position, if higher position ba ka or lowest, is fair na dapat. And so that is the last slide or the end of our topics, and thank you so much.